day, viewers. You're tuned into Campus Chronicles, the official news series from Delhi Public School RN Extension.
And what a spectacular start to the year it has been as TPS RNE steps into its 10th glorious year.
The decennial celebrations began with the launch of the 10 years logo by a respected Pro Vice Chairperson, Mrs. Santosh Bansal, followed by a heartwarming Founders Day Special Assembly commemorating a decade of excellence.
The green spirit thrived on Earth Day, April 22nd, with a special assembly and a series of eco-friendly inter-house and intra-class activities.
Adventure called in mid-April as Class 10th explored Chair and Class 12th trekked through the scenic trails of Virat Khai.
And back on the sports ground, students dribbled, bowled and strategized in the inter-house basketball and cricket tournaments across grades 6th to 12th.
On May 1st, the school paid tribute to its support staff with a grand Labour Day lunch and token of gratitude, a beautiful gesture of respect and appreciation.
The campus then celebrated the legacy of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore on his 164th birth anniversary with a soulful assembly, creative competitions and the renaming of the senior academic block as the Tagore Block.
The spirit of leadership soared high at the Investiture Ceremony 2025, where young leaders took oath to serve with integrity and vision.
CBSE board results were declared on 13th May 2025 and our academic achievers made us proud. Ms. Shloka Upadhyay of Humanities stream topped nationally in Class 12th with a stunning 499 out of 500, while our 42 students of Class 10th scored above 90%. A grand felicitation ceremony was held on May 14th.
Summer turned exciting with the Artsy Sportsy Fiesta Summer Camp 2025 and the spotlight shone bright with the NSG Theatre Workshop.
From achievements to adventures and assemblies to applause,
DPSRN Extension continuously grows.
That's all from Campus Chronicles. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident. Thank you.